What is the remainder if 7 raised to the 81 is divided by 8? Confused? Similar questions are asked in various exams. Many times candidates struggle to find the solution. However, these type of problems are easy to handle if you know the proper trick. And I will discuss the same in this video. Hey friends, welcome to Rishu Films. Let us start today's topic, that is remainder theorem. Say there are three whole numbers a, b and m, such that if a is divided by m, it yields b as the remainder. In other words, a minus b is divisible by m. This statement can be written as a congruent to b modulo m. Here, the equivalency symbol reads congruent. This is congruency modulo notation. The above stated equation is valid for all integers a, b and m if a minus b is divisible by m. In mathematics, there are two important theorems from the above definition which could be helpful in determining remainder in various problems. The first theorem states, if a congruent to b modulo m and c congruent to d modulo m, then a into c congruent to b into d modulo m. The second theorem states, if a congruent to b modulo m, then a raised to the n congruent to b raised to the n modulo m. Let us put these theorems in the side panel and try to solve the problem discussed in the beginning. As per the problem statement, we have to find the remainder if 7 raised to the 81 is divided by 8. Now we know that 8 is divisible by 8. That implies 7 plus 1 is divisible by 8. That means 7 minus 1 is divisible by 8. We can write it as 7 congruent to minus 1 mod 8. Using second theorem, we get 7 raised to the 80 congruent to minus 1 raised to the 80 modulo 8, which means 7 raised to the 80 congruent to 1 modulo 8. Let us mark this equation as result 1. Furthermore, 0 is divisible by 8. That implies 7 minus 7 is divisible by 8. In congruency modulo notation, we can write 7 congruent to 7 modulo 8. Let us mark this equation as result 2. Finally, we combine result 1 and result 2 using theorem 1. Accordingly, 7 raised to the 80 into 7 congruent to 1 into 7 modulo 8. That means 7 raised to the 81 congruent to 7 modulo 8. Hence, 7 is the remainder if 7 raised to the 81 is divided by 8. In this way, the congruency modulo results can be used to find the remainder. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Thank you for joining me in this session. If you have any query or feedback, you may post in the comment section below or email to us at rishufilms@gmail.com.